Hey everybody, my name is Bosco from Your House Fitness, and today we're going to be breaking down the Roundhouse Kick. So the Roundhouse Kick is a very simple kick, yet there's very different ways that we can do it. But today we're going to follow with the basics. So first things first, when we're doing the Roundhouse Kick, the most important thing is that we're swinging our hips, just like this. We're going to swing our hips. Number two, the most important part is the pivot. Imagine if I'm going to show you guys what it looks like if we don't pivot. So we're just going to kick with no power, no speed, no impact. Now I'm going to show you what it's like to really add this pivoting. So we're going to swing our hips and pivot. You see that speed, that impact, that power that comes with it? So I'm going to show you at real speed one more time. We're going to pivot our foot and swing our hips. Boom! Just like that. And now we're going to break it down. First, swing our hips. Number two, pivot our foot into this position. We're going to hold it just like this. And number three, we just kick. So 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. And now we're going to do it at full speed. We're going to bounce and boom! Just like that. And if you like that video, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.